Okay, this video is going to demonstrate how to log into the control panel of the system for the newly created medical center, and then add a doctor schedule, update medical center details, and add users. The first thing to do is to just delete this. Is to use the initial username and password that was provided to log into the system. So username, and that's the password, and login. Now you can see the medical center that was created. You can update the medical center details by clicking there. And you can update if you want to change the phone number, or you want to change the address, for example, or the start end times, or even the logo. You can update. As you click edit, the details will be updated. It might not reflect right now, but if you click control panel, the details are updated. The most important thing is to add a doctor. And the doctor has to be in this format. So let's have a space, and the name. And other details. Again, primary phone number is the landline, or if the doctor is only using the mobile number, you can just put the mobile number here. So in this case, the doctor is willing to give landline and the mobile number. And always put, this is optional, the email address, but always add the email when the doctor is registered. You can choose an image for this doctor. You can choose any image. So we'll just use this for now. Yeah, it has to be in the format of JPEG or PNG, but I think we'll also take GIF files, GIF format. It's processing the image. And it's processed, and we click insert doctor. The doctor is inserted, and this is very important. You copy that and paste it, and save it somewhere, and also email to the doctor. And I think this information gives the doctor's initial username, the generic password, the reset question if the doctor actually forgot the login, and the answer to the reset question. The doctor is added, as you can see here. You can edit the details if you like by clicking edit here. And it's update. Let's cancel for now. Go back to control panel. We'll go to users. Now the doctor will be added as a user here as well. These are all the other users for the system, all the other doctors working in the medical center. Now the best thing is for you to, or the doctor himself once logged in, is to create another user the username and a strong password, because the original initial password is a system generated password, and we always suggest to create a new password, a stronger password. So you just copy paste the name and use a easy username. Any username is fine. We're just using this for the time being as an example, and a stronger password. And the address, just copy paste from below. And the email address. And the phone number. And this is very important. You must select is doctor for doctor. If it's a doctor for any other user, such as administration staff or the business managers, nurses, leave that blank. So for the doctors, always select that, and you can change the reset question. Most probably the doctor will be doing this himself, so you can choose any of the selections from here. Once that's done, click insert, and the new user is added. This doctor, I get 2 logins for this doctor he can use. The newly created one with the password of his choice, or the original one. Now I would say after the doctor has used the system 2 to 4 weeks time, delete the generic login that was created by the system, and only use the one that's created by the administration staff of the doctor himself. For example, for this doctor here, 2 logins, and now he'll be used to using his own login. The generic one here, we can easily just delete. Now it's deleted, and the doctor will have to use his current login. We'll go back to control panel. Now we'll add a doctor appointment. We must select the date. For example, we'll select tomorrow, 14th. Still refreshing. Okay, now we're in the doctor scheduling section. Now you can see our doctor that we just created. If you click the drop down, you can see all the doctors that's associated with this medical center, all the doctors working for this medical center. Click a date, and then choose the time, start time, and this will be the finish time for this doctor, and the lunch break, so from 1, and these actually increment in 1 hour time intervals. So you can, if you want a different time click that. Yeah, and click that, and you can enter a different time. And the doctor is available. You can also click no, the doctor doesn't want to take any more appointments or bookings. And click schedule, and you'll see our doctor that we just added. This is our doctor here that we just created. Comes up in alphabetical order. And you can edit these times. if you like, clicking edit. Do not change this date, but the times you can easily change if he wants to take an extra 15 minutes, 30. If the dates are wrong, if you want to change the date, you must delete the schedule. If you click the doctor's name, it will take you to the booking section, and you can see all the appointments that the doctor can take for that day. And if there's any bookings, you'll see the appointments are in this table here, and these times that's taken or that disappeared. So the patients will be doing that from the front end, or the administration staff can also do it from that section. Now this section here is for the patients. Right now there's no patients registered for this medical center, but you can add patients. Here you can add patients by the administration staff, or from the front end the patients themselves can add their details to the system. And that's it for the control panel, the admin section, and you can just log out.